Birds are quite interesting creatures. They have 3 different sections within their hands, you could say, but their wings actually act as their hands, if they were humans, per se. They have primaries, secondaries, alula feathers, and flight feathers. The primaries are the ones that are used for thrust mostly, and they actually help in reducing air resistance. So when a bird actually tries to lift off, they come in contact with air resistance, but their primary wings help them in reducing that. They also have their secondary wings, which are actually shorter but broader than their primaries. And their alula feathers are those which help them during slow flight. So when they are about to land, their alula feathers come into play. And it was quite interesting to figure out this name during my research, because I knew that there was something that had to help them with their slow flying, but I didn't know what it was called specifically. Flying actually helps birds survive, it helps them find food and escape from predators, but their wings must have a very fast ability to change position, because at times they see predators and have to land quickly in order to escape that predator. Or even if wind gusts come out of nowhere, in contrast to the way they are flying. The downstroke of a bird is referred to as a power stroke because it helps them lift up and thrust, whereas the upstroke helps the bird recover. And the bird's wing movement is mostly centered around the outer part of the wing. When it comes to liftoff and landing, the bird's tail actually plays a huge role in maintaining their balance. It also makes as you can see, their wingspan spreads out when they lift off, just as their tail also gets wider. There are many factors that play a role into the momentum of a bird. Both lift and drag are components, and consequently their wings create drag. Birds can fly up to 11,000 miles a day, which is quite interesting and out of our minds, because if we were to fly like that, we would get really tired, but their organism is already adapted to that, which is crazy and quite interesting.